On 7 December 1972, humanity embarked on its final journey to the Moon with Apollo 17. This was not just another space mission, it was the culmination of years of exploration, innovation, and ambition. From capturing the famous blue marble image of Earth to uncovering lunar secrets, Apollo 17 represents a defining chapter in our quest to understand the universe. Join us as we relive this historic adventure, step by step. Apollo 17 marked a historic moment in space exploration as the final mission of NASA's Apollo program. Launched on 7 December 1972, it was the last time humans traveled beyond Earth's orbit and set foot on the Moon. The mission was significant for its scientific objectives, technological achievements, and cultural impact. Here's an in-depth look at this iconic journey. The Apollo program, initiated in the 1960s, was a bold effort by the United States to land humans on the Moon and bring them safely back to Earth. After the monumental success of Apollo 11 in 1969, subsequent missions continued to explore different lunar regions, conduct scientific experiments, and test technologies. Apollo 17 was intended to solidify the legacy of lunar exploration and gather extensive scientific data. It was particularly notable for including a professional scientist, Harrison Jack Schmitter, who was the first and only geologist to travel to the Moon. This mission would provide valuable geological insights that earlier missions couldn't achieve. The Apollo 17 mission consisted of 3 astronauts. Commander Eugene Cernan, a seasoned astronaut, Cernan had previously flown on Gemini 9 and Apollo 10. He would become the last human to walk on the Moon. Lunar Module pilot Harrison Schmitter, a geologist, Schmitter was chosen for his expertise in lunar geology, providing unique scientific contributions to the mission. Command Module pilot Ronald Evans. Evans remained in lunar orbit aboard the command module, conducting experiments and observations. Apollo 17 was launched from Kennedy Space Center's Launch Complex 39A in Florida at 12:33 a.m. EST on 7 December 1972. It was the first nighttime launch of a crewed mission, a spectacular sight that illuminated the night sky. The spacecraft consisted of 3 main components. The Command Module America, where the crew lived and controlled the spacecraft. The Lunar Module Challenger, designed to land on the Moon. The Service Module, housing the propulsion and support systems. After launch, Apollo 17 entered Earth orbit before performing a translunar injection burn to set it on course for the Moon. During the 3-day journey, the crew conducted system checks and prepared for the lunar landing. One of the most iconic moments of the trip was the capture of the blue marble photograph, a stunning full-disk image of Earth as seen from space. This image, taken on 7th December, became a symbol of the planet's beauty and fragility. On 11 December 1972, the Lunar Module Challenger landed in the Taurus-Littrow Valley, a site chosen for its diverse geological features, including ancient highlands and volcanic valleys. The landing zone was strategically selected to help scientists understand the Moon's history better. Eugene Cernan and Harrison Schmitt spent 3 days on the lunar surface, conducting 3 extravehicular activities, EVAs or moonwalks, totaling over 22 hours. During their stay, Cernan and Schmitter accomplished the following. Geological sampling. They collected 110 kilograms, 243 pounds, of lunar rock and soil, the largest sample from any Apollo mission. These samples included highland rocks and volcanic debris, shedding light on the Moon's formation and evolution. Scientific experiments. The astronauts deployed instruments to measure lunar surface temperature, seismic activity, and magnetic fields. Rover exploration. Using the Lunar Roving Vehicle, they traveled nearly 35 kilometers, 22 miles, across the surface, exploring craters and ridges far from the landing site. These words symbolized the culmination of human exploration on the Moon and the aspiration for future missions. After their lunar stay, Cernan and Schmidt rejoined Ronald Evans aboard the Command Module America, leaving the lunar module behind. The crew spent another 3 days in lunar orbit, conducting additional observations and experiments. The mission concluded with a successful splashdown in the Pacific Ocean on 19 December 1972, where they were retrieved by the USS Ticonderoga. Apollo 17 was a resounding success, both scientifically and culturally. Scientific discoveries, the geological samples and data collected continue to inform our understanding of the Moon. Technological milestones. The mission demonstrated the durability and reliability of NASA's Apollo systems. Cultural impact. The blue marble photograph and Cernan's poignant words inspired generations to reflect on humanity's place in the universe. Apollo 17 marked the end of NASA's Apollo program and the last human mission to the Moon. Although no one has returned to the lunar surface since, the mission set the stage for future exploration. Today, programs like NASA's Artemis aim to rekindle the spirit of Apollo and bring humans back to the Moon in the coming decades. Apollo 17 remains a testament to human ingenuity, curiosity, and the desire to explore the unknown. It serves as a reminder of what humanity can achieve when driven by ambition and collaboration. Apollo 17 was more than just a mission. It was a statement of human potential and curiosity. Though it marked the end of an era, the dream of lunar exploration lives on. As we look to future missions like NASA's Artemis program, we carry forward the legacy of Apollo 17. On that time, not this much advanced technology existed, but humans landed on the Moon with Apollo 17 mission program. But now we have more advanced technology like AI and powerful rocket systems. We have done a lot of great things in research, but why can't we set foot on the Moon? Are we ahead in technology? Or did they have more advanced technology than us in the 1970s? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring content about space and beyond. Together, let's keep exploring the unknown.